I'll remove your shirt and pants. I will teach you how to swim.
Okay, I do.
Like a frog. Oh.
Yeah, good guys.
Hello guys, good afternoon. We are here in Corniche Beach. This is a private, huh? Private. No, public. Public beach. If you want to swim, just go here, eh? See? Some people swimming, huh? Tagalog na lang. Puro English.
Tell English.
No,
Hi, guys.
English.
He's my best friend. He's from Philippines. His
Always
name
best friend, huh?
Chris Cutan. Please support, guys.
You want to swim?
Yeah, I want to swim, but I
You know
don't
how to swim?
I don't know how to swimming, but I believe my friends, my colleague, maybe he saved me.
I teach you how to swim.
Yeah, he teach me how to swimming.
I'll remove your shirt and pants. I will teach you how to swim.
Okay, I do.
Like a frog. Oh.
Yeah, good guys.
Ito yung Corniche area. Sa tapat niya, yung building na yan, yan yung marina. Marina po yan. Ay, zoom natin ng konti, ha. Marina. Sa baba niya, nandun yung Marina Mall. May naliligo dito. You know? Marami. So, kaya may bakod yan dahil ay parang naka-private yung area na yan. Family. Ayan. Pero dito, pwede kang maligo dito. Meron din siyang nakaharap para safe. Pero may naliligo doon banda. Pwede ka maligo dito. Saka pagdating doon, meron dong washroom, shower room para pagkatapos mong maligo dito sa dagat, pwede ka maligo mag-shower doon. Okay. Yan, napakaganda rito. Saka may nagbi-maintenance yung tingnan yung dagat. Dagat ho, ha. Tubig alat ito, hindi ito tabang. Yan o. Malinaw din siya. Pag doon banda, malinaw na siya. Pero, siyempre, white sand yan, white sand. Kita nyo, white sand. White sand. Diba? Yan o. Napakalawak, napakalaking flag ng UAE. Don't forget to subscribe. Good Vibes Arat. Don't forget. Please follow, subscribe, like and share. G, arat na. Travel, yes. Travel, any vlogging? Yes.